Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best light blue sweatpants is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable pieces of clothing you can add to your wardrobe, perfect for lounging at home, running errands, or even a casual day out. These aren't just any sweatpants, they're a statement of comfort and style, offering a relaxed fit that doesn't compromise on looking good. Whether you're pairing them with a hoodie for ultimate coziness or dressing them up slightly with a crisp t-shirt and sneakers, light blue sweatpants provide a refreshing pop of color that's both trendy and timeless, making them an essential item for anyone looking to elevate their casual wear game with ease and confidence. Number 5. Waitfairy Women's High-Waist Joggers. Discover unparalleled comfort with our latest joggers designed for your everyday life. Experience a relaxed, baggy fit that doesn't compromise on style. Featuring a flattering high-waist design, these pants offer a secure and comfortable fit. They are perfect for lounging or staying active. Elevate your workout sessions with these versatile joggers. They provide the freedom of movement you need for any gym activity. From errands to relaxing at home, these sweatpants are your go-to choice. Enjoy the perfect blend of fashion and function. Specifically crafted for women seeking both comfort and a trendy look. Make them a staple in your casual wardrobe. What we like? These offer a flattering high-waist design with a trendy baggy fit. They are perfect for your gym sessions or casual wear. If you prioritize comfort and a relaxed silhouette, these are a great choice for your active lifestyle. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or light workouts. These sweatpants have a great fit, not too baggy and not too tight. The drawstring waist ensures a secure and adjustable fit. Number 4. NORTHYARD Men's Athletic Running Pants. Experience unparalleled comfort with these incredibly lightweight running pants. Designed for your active lifestyle, they move with you effortlessly. Stay dry and focused no matter the intensity. Our advanced quick dry technology wicks away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout your workout. From the gym to the track, these joggers are built for performance. They are perfect for a variety of athletic activities and training sessions. Engineered for active sports, these pants offer the flexibility and durability you need. Tackle any challenge with confidence and ease. Enjoy a modern jogger fit that combines style with functionality. These sweatpants are ideal for both your workout and casual wear. Elevate your training sessions with this essential piece of workout gear. They provide the perfect blend of comfort and performance for any athlete. What we like? Engineered for performance, these are incredibly lightweight and quick drying. They are designed for active sports and training. If you're a runner or athlete looking for gear that keeps you cool and dry, these pants are an excellent option. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or light workouts. These sweatpants have a great fit, not too baggy and not too tight. The drawstring waist allows for an adjustable and secure fit. Number 3. Soffe Men's Premier Pocket Fleece Sweatpant. Experience ultimate comfort with our Premier Pocket Fleece Sweatpant. Designed for a relaxed fit, these pants are perfect for lounging or everyday wear. Crafted from premium fleece, they offer exceptional softness and warmth. You'll love the cozy feel against your skin. Featuring a practical pocket design, you can easily store your essentials. Keep your phone or keys close at hand. With a graded 33 inseam, these sweatpants provide a great fit for most. Enjoy a length that's just right for you. Their classic design makes them incredibly versatile. Pair them with your favorite t-shirt or hoodie for a complete look. Built to last, these sweatpants will be a staple in your wardrobe for seasons to come. Invest in quality and comfort. What we like? Experience ultimate warmth with their soft fleece lining. These provide a classic, comfortable fit with a specific inseam length. If you value traditional comfort and a reliable fit for everyday lounging, these are a solid pick. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or light workouts. These sweatpants have a great fit, not too baggy and not too tight. The drawstring waist ensures a secure and adjustable fit. Number 2. BTFBM Women's Wide Leg Sweatpants. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with these wide leg sweatpants. Designed for ultimate relaxation, they offer a loose and flattering fit for any body type. Elevate your loungewear game with these incredibly soft and comfy joggers. They are perfect for relaxing at home or running errands in style. Featuring a classic solid color design, these pants are incredibly versatile. Easily pair them with your favorite tops for a chic and effortless look. Experience a truly baggy and relaxed fit that doesn't compromise on style. These are designed to be your go-to for all-day comfort. Never worry about where to put your essentials again. These stylish pants come with convenient pockets, adding practicality to their design. You'll wonder how you ever lived without them. These are the ultimate casual pants that combine comfort, style, and functionality seamlessly. What we like. Embrace a relaxed vibe with their wide leg silhouette and solid color options. These are designed for ultimate comfort and casual wear. If you're seeking a stylish yet incredibly comfortable lounge pant for relaxing at home, consider these. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or light workouts. These sweatpants have a great fit, not too baggy and not too tight. The drawstring waist allows for an adjustable and secure fit. Number 1. G-Style USA Men's Casual Lounge Fleece Sweatpants. Experience unparalleled comfort with our premium fleece sweatpants. Designed for relaxation, they offer a soft and cozy feel for all-day wear. These sweatpants are crafted with your comfort in mind. The relaxed fit ensures freedom of movement, making them perfect for lounging or casual outings. Never worry about where to put your essentials again. These feature convenient pockets to keep your phone, keys, or wallet secure and within reach. Made from high-quality fleece, they provide warmth and durability. Enjoy a garment that feels great and lasts through countless wears and washes. Elevate your loungewear collection with these stylish and practical sweatpants. They are ideal for relaxing at home or running errands in comfort. Trust in the quality and craftsmanship of G-Style USA. These sweatpants are a testament to our commitment to providing comfortable and stylish apparel. What we like. Enjoy the cozy feel of fleece-lined fabric perfect for lounging. They come with convenient pockets for your essentials. If you're looking for a go-to pair of sweatpants for maximum relaxation and practicality, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or light workouts. These sweatpants have a great fit, not too baggy and not too tight. The drawstring waist allows for an adjustable and secure fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.